回答执行长王林芬今日去到台积电的运动会，伫咧现场回想甲张忠谋的缘分。王林芬表示讲30当前台积电甲辉达的拢也是设计公司，要若无即个台积电今仔日都无辉达，是学了台积电是台湾的骄傲，嘛是世界骄傲。
对镜头的手比赞，回答执行长王金芬穿红色运动衫，今年第4摆来台湾，搁第1摆参加正义大讲堂抢台积电的运动会。上台都话，咱是一家人。
没有台积电，今天没有回答。台积电真是雄赞 ！You are really the pride of Taiwan. You are also the pride of the world, and you know that you also are my pride.
去年我尊称他3兆男，今年他已经身价大增，就叫5兆男。
全场欢呼，伫董事长为大家主持之下，宣布今年的感谢礼物要发予所有海内外员工，代票25000红包。不过原本外界有期缘看到王金芬甲台积电创办人张忠谋，甲为大家3人斗阵，可惜张忠谋因为身体无舒适，临时无来。
I wrote Morris a letter about 30 years ago, and he called me to invite me to visit TSMC in Taiwan. And it was my first time to return after leaving Taiwan and growing up in the United States. I'm thinking about Morris today. I hope he's well. I will look in on him as soon as I can.
这摆无管2节快闪，王金芬强调就是为台积电来的，因为生意真好，特别来鼓励有伴。不过对于回答海外总部伫咧台北8事科 T17、T18代志，好亲像无时间甲市长蒋万安见面，不过北市府强调一定会加速流程。
我们其实都跟辉达总部保持非常密切的联系，也都有非常畅通的沟通管道。辉达总部在台北设立进度也都持续的推进。针对地上款问题，台北市府咧甲成功人寿协商按算下礼拜有结果。蒋万强调为台北整体发展甲全面福利一定全力以赴。记者综合报道。